everyone, my name is Yeo Xin Yu. Today, I'm talking about float survival program. Let's start our journey. Our guide is telling us about safety precautions during a float. Did you know this ankle-deep pool of water usually the height of water during a float? Now, if you are trapped in a float, you must hold something that able withstand a wave and float on water. A large plastic container will do. Then, try your best to paddle to a safe place. If someone shows you a float, you should flip it around your body and grab it. Wear your life jacket and let's go. If you are trapped on top of the roof, and help if it's beneath you, tie knots with bed sheets or long blankets and slide down. Tie a floatable object with a rope and throw it to your friend in the water. Then pull the friend out. If you have a pet, you should wrap it with a blanket to keep it warm. Secure your dog with a leash and tie its mouth so it won't bite. Our guide also taught us the correct way to hold a baby so we wouldn't get hurt. After escaping, we should wet ourselves with a hypothermic blanket. It traps heat so you get warm soon. We also learned how to escape from submerged car in float. Just crawl out of it and sit on the car and wait for help. Well, isn't it fun? I learned a lot about float escape today. That's all for now. Bye!